I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com on Saturday, August 10th. Hope you're having a good summer. I know I am, and I know Lulu is, at least for now. Look, this stock has yet to fill this gap. I'm going to draw it down here. Okay, so after a pretty nasty quarter and a CEO that's departing, the stock really imploded, but products are really good. As you know, I like them. And I'm looking at this as a flag pattern here. This could potentially be like that's all she wrote, and then the stock rolls over. But fundamentally, the stock's still cheap, and it's also off of its highs. And the reason why that's important is for a couple reasons. First of all, it is not off of its highs because it's been ramping up into oblivion, or into eternity, and then all of a sudden is broken. Instead, when you really stop and look at it, it's been trading in a choppy range. But this has not exactly been a momentum stock. And the reason I'm saying that is because the market's getting kind of weak and tired, and fewer momentum stocks are working. And why is that? Because, well, momentum's getting broken. And once the momentum of a stock is broken, all the momentum traders leave, and that's kind of why that momentum broke in the first place. And it's definitely a self-fulfilling prophecy. Once the stock falls from grace, that's pretty much it. We don't have that situation with Lululemon. We've got the stock sitting here in a little flag pattern. I can't imagine any near-term catalyst that's going to cause this stock to roll over. I think it's still in consolidation here. I think that unless there's a real big implosion in the market, which ultimately is going to happen, but I don't think it's this week or next week, then I'm looking at Lulu as a pretty good buy point here in a couple different ways. First, if it breaks above this flag pattern, that's your point to buy. Also, if you get a gift and for whatever reason the stock breaks down, comes back to test this prior resistance level that was broken, then I think you want to buy the stock here. So there's a couple different ways to, quote, play Lululemon. What I would not want to be doing is shorten the stock. You look at the weekly chart, and you can see it's been chopping around for quite a while. This is a stock that ultimately I think moves higher, but right now we need an initial buy point if you don't own it already, and I would say that's here on any move, say, above 74. Okay, members, over in the strategy or in the weekend update, please don't blow off the middle video. I'm talking about some of the metal stocks, and there's some really good, important, and profitable rotation going on. So please don't blow off that second video. That's frankly one that you can even start on.